Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So guys, let's go to your Snapchat. Now go to your chat box. Now open the chat list of that person you want to know if he has blocked you. Suppose I'm opening this one. And then go to his profile in the left side of corner. So guys, you can see his snap scores. So if you see his snap scores, then he has not blocked you. Or if you can't see, then he is blocked you. So guys, that's it. That's how you can know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.